scouting tip number who gives a shit. How to start a fire with these two flint rocks right here. So what you want to do... Oh, shit! Yeah! Is it 420? Because you just got stoned!